Hi guys, thanks for watching Cooking with Hua. Today I'll be making a healthy, low-carb, spicy Thai chicken wrap. And the best part about this recipe is there's no cooking time. I just like to go to my regular Costco store and purchase a rotisserie chicken. And I found these tortilla at my local market. Feel free to use whatever kind of vegetables you like, and of course the rotisserie chicken. I am gonna cut only the chicken breast, and in order for me to save some calories, I'm gonna take off the skin and not use it, and instead of eating the chicken skin, I'm gonna use avocado as my healthy fat. I really love this recipe because it's super easy, healthy, and delicious. And you don't have to buy rotisserie chicken here. You can also use like sandwich deli meat, like turkey deli meat, chicken deli meat, which is really easy. I'm using Jif's peanut butter powder just to cut down the calories, but you can go ahead and use peanut butter. I'm also having this toasted sesame, soy, and ginger, and sriracha. This is the easiest peanut spicy sauce you'll ever make, and you can get the recipe at www.cookingwithhua.com. This sauce is super versatile. You can use it to dip almost any kind of protein that you want, even tofu if you wanted it. I absolutely love this sauce. It's so easy to use. And yes, I am using garlic powder here instead of real garlic. I just didn't have time to chop up the real garlic, but if you have fresh garlic, go ahead and use that. However, I would use one of those garlic pressers so then you don't get a big chunk of garlic when you're eating your chicken wrap. And then you just want to mix everything and add in your favorite spicy sauce. I like sriracha, but you can also use like hot chili oil if you prefer that. Now I found this tortilla wrap at my local grocery store, and I have to say I'm really impressed because normally when I find like low carb tortilla, they taste like rubber, and this tastes really good. Now I'm just going to assemble and put my chicken wrap together. I just placed the chicken breast on the bottom and then the fresh organic spring greens on top. I added some shredded carrots. Like I said, you can use any kind of vegetables that you like. I love cilantro and also onions and cucumbers. You'll find that those three ingredients like carrots, cucumbers, cilantro and onions are used a lot in Southeast Asian cuisine. And here is the avocado because I used to live in California and I just grown to love avocado, and honestly I want some fat in this chicken wrap, and avocado is my choice of healthy fat. Once you have everything together in your wrap, I know it looks humongous right now, you're just going to want to, before you wrap it, you do want to season it with a little bit of salt and black pepper, and then add in that beautiful sauce that I made, but I know you're going to be making it too because this is delicious. Then all you want to do, and I would just use a little, like half of it of the sauce, and then use the other half and dip it. Then you want to gather all your ingredients in your wrap, fold it, and roll it. And then after that, cut it in half and put it on a serving plate with some more side of organic greens, and use that sauce to kind of like dip your chicken wrap in. It's delicious. It's going to look gourmet like you actually bought it at a cafe. I do apologize to my viewers for being absent for a while. It was really busy during tax season, and then after that I ended up having surgery, and I'm actually going back to work on Monday, so this is like the first day since surgery since I'm feeling better. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. You can find my spicy Thai chicken wrap recipe at www.cookingwithhua.com.